Hello everybody, hope everybody having a good season so far. I want to do a little bit of updating my birds. This is my first pair here, chicks for the first round here, 3 healthy and nice chicks here. I put the divider because there was bothering the hens. I put the eggs back this morning, she's on 4 eggs. I don't want them to break the eggs here. It's 4 eggs here. This is second round eggs, and this is the first round. I will separate them next week. Yeah, they're still not eating properly, you know. I want to make sure 100% then I can separate them. This is my first pair. This is my second pair here. They're also on 3 chicks first round here, nice and healthy. I put the divider, same thing, and she's set on 3 eggs. She's on 3 eggs now. Yeah, I decided to have 2 pairs only this year because last year I had 4 pairs and had like 35 chicks is a lot. So I decided this year to only have 2 pairs. If I get like 15-17 chicks, I'm well happy with those. Yeah, 2 pairs is enough for me. Yeah, so this is updates for my birds. Thank you for watching. If you didn't already subscribe, please subscribe. It don't cost any money. Subscribe is free. Thank you for watching and hope everybody have a good breeding season. Thank you and bye.